this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on predictive text on your Samsung keyboard. So when you open up your keyboard and you start typing something in, it should just auto-suggest stuff for you down here, so you can see like Gerber, Gwen, Gerhard. I don't know what's going on with that. But what you could do to get this opened up, just delete everything in here, but you should have an option for settings. Just go to settings right here. Scroll on down, and there should be an option in here for predictive text. So if you want to see this, here it is. Turn it on. I got English and Spanish. So you can get to it by that method. Otherwise, swipe down from the top right. Go to settings. Scroll on down to general management. Right here, click this Samsung keyboard. Otherwise, if you have a Google keyboard or something like that too, now just go to predictive text. Here it is, turn it on, and then it will suggest things for you as you type. So if I want to type in some words like this, you got funny and full, you could just hit this real quick. And then you don't have to type in the entire thing. Could be quicker. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.